Okay. Now, welcome today, ladies and gentlemen, at the late night show. Okay. All right, how not day? How everybody day? Me and this episode, we wear glasses like this now. It's
bad guy
form, you know, things. And,
bad guy.
Do your freshness. You know, fresh boys and every. Why the list dick lips? I don't think get this your move. But anyway, man, welcome for the late night show, and the hopes everybody did go very, very well. As it be like this, ladies and gentlemen, we'll get some kind of making sense people for the show for this night. And of course, it will make too much brain because we first get one guy. Say yellow somebody, you know, now albino he be, but a person where they very, very confident about himself, and they stay to stand for albinos, even as a musician where he be. You understand? So go get Ibukun Faduba in the building. Yes, he go join us, come relate, do one or two talk, and then from there we'll know much more about this particular artist. At the same time, we get Dr. C. You know, when oh, Joe, I wear black today because, you know, I know the guy that always like to wear black and everything. Be alright,
sharp guy.
Sharp guy, Maven's boy, and every. He don't take for the whole thing, you know.
No, the guy don't know, the guy don't try.
But he represent. So today, we go follow us talk marriage, talk new plans, talk of, you know, that time, and then the plans and way they on board for the future. Okay, so now, sweet show we'll get for today. We're not go anywhere. Tell somebody to tell someone, say the late night show, you have started, all right? Jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us gist, follow us, and then from there, we'll know every, all right? So not go anywhere. We they come back with the Coco. Easy Beat and I, Ogbonge, the show you have started. All right, so first Coco for the day. Still based on this whole thing, you know, this is our girls and we then kidnap where these Boko boys take hold that year.
The B-boys.
You understand, you know, the B-boys.
Yes.
Right now, those girls don't go be, they know they call them Chibok girls again because they don't talk to Chibok women. Because they're not too tame now. I wonder what our government say they do to go back all these
Chibok
girls.
mothers.
Chibok mothers. You understand? Because so far, they don't ever still go run, enter that place, goes deliver these girls from the hands of these badness guys.
But the story even be safe. I never even know the whole be true again. Some say that they release small. Some say some they run, some they escape.
Some say the thing don't even exist.
You understand?
You understand? So different gist don't the matter. So this particular two young men just walk go 12 million bridge to show their consent for this whole thing. They go put chain for their body. You know, can't enter 12 million bridge. Come the waka, talk say man, now still on top of this level. Go see the picture for our screen there. Two young men there on top chain. They waka go for 12 million bridge to remember the missing Chibok girls. Just to make because somehow don't follow election now. We don't forget these girls. They like play. You understand? So I beg. This now cry out now to our government and everybody with they concern.
Make we not forget.
Make we not forget these girls. Them families see they cry on top of this matter. Some people still they with those girls they get families. They get future self.
Them get
everything they cry out. I beg. Make we not forget the Chibok girls. I beg. Because they're very, very important. Now our daughters, now our sisters, and of course now our fellow Nigerians they be. All right. So Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Okay. Now, I don't know. Because this one won't mess with my belief as a Christian. What I be, you know. But this particular man, he say after 36 years of marriage, the man finally decided to divorce his wife. I know why I say make a divorce his wife. After 36 years, though, not be say the woman cheats. Not be say the woman can't disrespect her or they misbehave.
Yeah.
Say now because the woman nipple, they no normal. Let the woman get deformed nipple. I see what kind of nonsense with this one. Oyibo, now just wake up, they do rubbish. For 36 years, you don't know.
You don't know say people deform.
He say, say before they marry. He said before they marry, he not see him. Now the nipple you marry.
You don't see him. After the marry, 36 years, you don't see him.
You say 36 years.
You can't wake up on Monday.
Now the nipple you marry, I don't know what they worry some kind of people. They feel you wake up Oyibo. They wake up and say, okay, your toothbrush and my toothbrush is not the same.
Get out.
Divorce. Why? I don't understand because this whole level like this, it not just make sense at all. They say They don't finally divorce. They don't leave themselves. And as a matter to be like this, say the whole thing don't end since 2011. But they see they divide property and all those things. So the wella see they stretch one kind because of nipple. Okay, check your own. Because one woman feel you wake up tomorrow. Say because you get deformed nipple. But you know, you make too much sense to me at all. But these guys they always do what they want to do.
Anything they want to do.
They are just on top of their own pee. But any of now we know say now follow us just on top of this particular two cocoa don't drop. Concern our Chibok girls and at the same time this issue where they go divorce based on I beg. Me I don't even pray for divorce for anybody. But to call the divorce because of nipple. Now I'm paying me part.
Not even because of the reason. In fact, the thought don't make sense.
One half sense.
You know, 6 years.
36 years. Just throw it 36 years like that because of nipple. Or go ask yourself questions. Something day will they worry you. Seriously. All right, so and then I'll come on top the cocoa for the day. And after this one, I'll bring in my first guest, will be Ibukun Faduba. We'll just on top the whole thing and then we'll know how every will say go. No go anywhere when they come back. Okay, now welcome back. Now still the late night show. Like I talked before now. Make una jam us on top Twitter at Late Night Show. Reach there, give us gist. All right. But I get my first guest in the building, and the guy go by the name Ibukun Faduba. Ibukun Alpha.
How you do?
How your side now?
My side.
You know go from gentle. You know say for this show now they do anyhow.
No wonder.
How far you now? You know you obviously you'll be albino. And of course, I don't know, for me personally, I don't get anything, you know, where they worry me for mind onto albinism. But I know some other people, they carry the whole thing one kind for mind.
Yeah, maybe because some of albinos, they get all those...
Sports for body and all that.
But even at that one... I work inside now, get all those...
No, nothing. I'm not going to worry me now. I get friends that where would they gist? I get one way bad self. That's what they say. And they really go with that body smoke. And they preach to us. I say, guy. And the charity say, if you see the go with that body...
I never see albino with the smoking.
Hey! You know not Joseph. Bad boy like this. I said that for not call you Joseph. They're supposed to call you more that bad name or something. But at the same time, man, music for you, how should they combine this whole thing? Because I know say somewhere, if it's not too easy for you like that, you get your challenges and everything. Follow us just.
Well, music for me, music and albinism. I remember one time where I asked my younger brother, say, you don't ever see any gospel artist where be albino, where they sing, or you don't even ever see any artists where they sing for TV. Talk say no. I can't tell and say, okay, now me go be the first. You understand? So I can't decide, say I go put the whole albinism thing behind.
Exactly.
If I like, make I put head knock for ground.
You not go change anything. Even if you use polish.
I know if you change jam. Even if I use paint, it go still show. You get one time, so if we dye my ear to black, maybe it go solve the whole.
So even like wear dark glasses.
Exactly. So I just decide, say, no matter waiting anybody won't talk about me. The waiting matter pass now, waiting God don't talk about me.
Exactly.
So I just decided, say I go put them behind, then face music, and here we are.
But how the whole reception not say be since for you? As in today the challenges and everything.
Well, reception day okay. I don't know. Maybe now because I be albino. Anyway, I enter sing. People go start to they cry. They fall under anointing. So reception is good. People they accept them. I'm dropping a single very soon. Okay. So with the trust God, see everything go.
But so for how many songs then you don't get on board? At least, because album never come out, have you?
Not yet.
But how many singles
album never come out, but. Most of the songs where I write, people don't know them for churches where they go minister. Okay. So Lagos, Ibadan, all over Nigeria. Okay. So roughly about 5 to 7 of them. Okay. Okay. I work on them presently to bring it out before the end of the year.
Okay.
By God's grace.
Okay. So at least by the end of the year, we don't hear say, Ibukun don't drop in your album and everything.
Yeah.
But now you do you be activist for albinos.
Yeah.
So make we hear from that angle.
Well, I remember one day I was on a bike.
Okay.
I did on top bike and for Ibadan. So the bike guy come talk say, Ogafa, they go meeting. I can't wonder say
Meeting.
which kind of meeting I know.
Which one be meeting?
He come talk say all of your guys them, all of your albino them, then they waka go Mokola, they go meeting. I can't talk say meeting. How
Okay, not from association.
you understand
Okay.
the albino association?
Okay.
I can't talk say say I don't hear about the association before, but I decide say I no go be part of them.
Okay.
Because albinos no be object of pity.
At all. At all.
Albinos no be object of pity. And at the same time, I can't tell them one thing that they say, creation cannot dictate what another creation should be like. In other words, you be black,
Yes.
you be creation.
Exactly.
No be you create me,
Exactly.
no be me create you.
So now I know
So
fit
na
dictate.
creator, all of us
Exactly.
go meet, say, okay,
Ask a question.
how everything. So for me, every albino out there, I would just like to tell them that no be waiting people think say you be. No portray yourself like object of pity. You understand? Be proud,
Yes.
wear good clothes, speak good English, look good. As a matter of fact, I have a fiance.
Oh! Hey! Now say how the year be this?
My fiance na black
Bam!
woman,
Bam!
beautiful woman.
Bam! Finish!
So-
Ladies and gentlemen, a finish work. Some people they still black. Like the one boy they play DJ work for this show. He black or he not even still get fee. Talking about fiance. Not be joke. Make a day here, Jerry.
So at some point for my life, I always think say I no go marry. Because as you dey waka for street, one young boy they shout, "Oyinbo pepe."
Yeah.
I feel there one time when one movie come out, I feel two. That movie they always vex me because
You never knock any pikin for head. Say come here.
who you want?
I'll be your mate.
How you go knock? If you go knock winch, you no go knock anybody for head. So you go just the palm for body.
Yes.
Oyinbo pepe. You go just dey go like that. You understand? So
Yes.
growing up. Inferiority complex and all.
Yes,
You
yes.
don't want to go out. You are always indoors. You are a lone ranger. Do you understand? So, I just want to say that every albino way there out there, there's a woman for you. There's a purpose for you. There's a destiny for you. You are a special being. And for maybe because me I don't get all those all those things for body. Maybe an additional Thanksgiving I dey always thank God. Say thank God. Say
See, at
I dey
least
chop
you not
salt.
rich like that.
They talk say albino know the chop salt. Me I dey lick salt.
Hi. They swallow. They shot.
I dey lick am. So I just give God glory for the privilege to be an albino and not have those things
Yes.
on my body. But for everyone. For every albino way they out there, we get that thing for body.
Yes.
There's this particular treatment for it.
Okay.
Though it might be expensive.
Okay.
But this is an avenue itself where they use take raise alarm for anyone we know say you be black and you know say you want add to the development of albinos who are suffering from all these things. Find these associations, these albino associations. They're all over the place. They are Lagos, then they Ibadan, then they all over. Contribute your own quota to them. You understand? Where we say that thing. I don't really know what's in the cost that.
But at least they go feel find more information.
You understand?
The
They go,
thing.
but it's curable. You understand? So they go feel. But point blank, my final word is every albino deserves to live. I even hear say for one country like that, then they kill albinos.
Seriously?
I don't know how true it is. I think it's Tanzania or something. But I believe God.
You cannot enough you work for you now.
We dey pray.
With people like friends who I get like Joseph. Enough you work. Joseph not the year. Joseph with the wear earring, they wear blinks, they dye hair black, they wear dark glasses. He go let you know say guy forget that thing.
I go like me the guy.
Joseph, how they look and say we don't call our Yibo. If you slap on your ear, Jojo, not Joko. But seriously, I like the angle we take and I like the word, positive word we give all the albinos where they watch for outside there. You understand? And I won't really ask, say, come, whether you get woman or something. You don't clear them already. Say, there's a woman around the corner. I
get woman.
And anytime from now, we'll soon hear marriage things.
I get woman.
We'll come the contract right now.
She did inside these buildings.
Oh, Makai Gako!
Inside this
No wonder. No wonder. I said the chemistry was different. When they see all the thing and everything. Well, brother, you get eyes.
Good.
So why would they tell you how they look where I say, hey.
Me, they see you, forget. Not be black, you also. Black and white.
Even cool. Nothing they happen. Easy to get the question when you want to ask her.
They say you with the yap me say me no get girlfriend. Whether you get?
I say fiancé. I don't talk about that get girlfriend. I say fee.
You get fiancé.
Fee.
You get fee.
No, now you are trying to. Not they try back to me. They worry you. They see because me, I'm married to God. I'm married to my job. You know, some people they talk when they don't get anybody. So I'm married to my business. I'm married to Jesus. To Jesus. You know, but anyway, but before I come out for the whole thing, just freestyle something for us now. Make we just hear make people know the voice with the.
Okay, before I freestyle, I did drop one single by me.
Okay.
It's titled The Prodigal Song.
Prodigal Song.
Not the Prodigal Son.
Okay.
The Prodigal Son.
Okay.
Song rather.
Okay.
So make people just listen out from.
Okay.
Video itself will go there out middle me.
Okay.
So
all right. So on top of that, ladies and gentlemen, Ibukun Faduba. So now we'll hear much more from this guy very, very soon. And I love the fact that he don't come out. Every I've been away there outside there, you get purpose for your life. God get purpose for you. And at the same time, you deserve to live a normal life as a human being. You don't hear every from Ibukun. So Ibukun, just bust one thing for us. Even as we carry come out for your interview.
You supposed to know the song now.
What's your,
How great is my God. Sing with me, how great
you feel the harmonize.
Is my God. Oh, we sing how great is my God.
Hey, you don't feel me. You don't feel me.
Oh,
you don't see my harmony. Wicked. Your daddy, you're not rich. Ibukun, thank you for coming on the show, man. I appreciate you, bro. We appreciate you. All right, so the show continue right after this one. They bring my second guest in the building, Dr. Seed. Of course, and from there, we'll continue with the whole show. All right, so we're not going to go anywhere. They come back.